I was going to go Mickey in college, but then I was like, it's not for me. So then I got told about this and then I applied. Because I can't deal with like loads of things at once because I just get a bit overstimulated.
What's your experience been like so far?
Really good, like I just feel like the college has really helped me. Just like a lot more like easygoing and it's just like a lot easier to get on with than school. I think I've just got like a lot more mature because where I'm in level 2, I'm around older people.
What's been your highlight?
Well, probably like the first cut I did and then like the first highlights and then just like all the friends I've made. The people here, they're just all really like happy and like, yeah, all nice.
What advice would you give someone who's been in a similar boat to you?
I'd just say be yourself and just don't be like afraid to show the real you. Yeah, there's challenges like maths and English, but then you just get help to do it.
How would you describe Nacro in one word?
Probably fun, like there's just never a dull moment.